Do you want to know how you can change the text styles in WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the text style in your WhatsApp. So there are 4 styles: italic, bold, strike through and monospace. Let me teach how you can enter each very easily. So go to any person, go to message, and for italic go ahead and find the underscore button. Tap on underscore, write your message and then type on underscore again. You can see that this text has been sent in italic. Now to send it in bold, go ahead and click on asterisk, write down your message and then close it with asterisk again. You can see that this message has gone in bold. So these are the 2 text styles. Now let me show strike through. Go ahead and search for this icon over here. Click on it, write down your message and then click on it again and you can see the strike through text option. Now for the final, the monospace, go ahead and search for this and click 3 times and then write down your message and close it with it 3 times and you can see the strike through option. This is how you change your text style on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.